To become extraordinary, you have to do the extraordinary. Yes, you can go that route. It's not necessary. But if you feel, you know what, you are born with a purpose and for a purpose, you are just on fire. You have the self belief that you can go out into the marketplace, serving your audience to the best of your hidden abilities, and you would love to explore and be creative, testing and trying your uniqueness, then I highly recommend you should do the extraordinary to become extraordinary. And how do you do this? You do this by having or developing the courage, the willpower, the confidence, the self confidence that you can just go do spectacular things in the world. So I highly recommend you should, analyze yourself, get to know more of your self awareness, your hidden potential, your talents, your skills, your mindset, work on your habits, your self esteem, all those quality traits that are internal will have to manifest into practicality so that you can just design, create your own reality, and you can start thinking for yourself in terms of what to do and what not to do, what can work, what might not work, what can get you more results, how you can stay more productive, consistent, how you can just unleash yourself, right? That makes things so much awesome and spectacular when you can just, unleash yourself. You have that burning desire, that fire in you, and you have to release that.